milestones, tech and lore. I stepped through the gates to a world I'd explore. The air was alive with hops and dreams, where past meets the present in flowing streams. I tried att vara hacklig och skälta turtle. Fido I räkna städer snabb in så kan jag the less is dunkas is med mig en fiskad. Så kan get it speed like or shine them into hard. Lead rushing kiss the foam with grace, a creamy crown, a timeless embrace. From barrels to cans they dare to defy, blending the old with the stars in the sky. Raise your glass to the future, to the past, where the fairies we brew are the ones that last. Heritage and coronation, the needs of the rock that we taste. Trying to show the world that nothing goes to waste. In the whispers of history, the toucan took flight, a playful reminder of strength and delight. But now, with data and I in the brew, what once was tradition finds something new. En kennelijk en doe gezacht voer. Om naar Barilia Sagetina Technulia die leider. Zaken is maar in stad kan staan naar dadorie. Personal tales in each crafted sip, a journey of flavors in every trip. The future stands tall in barrels and bites. With tech at the helm, they conquer new heights. From the creamy head to the widget's call, a simple idea can transform it all. What if your dreams, steeped in tradition, found their rebirth in bold ambition? Raise your glass to the future, to the past, where the stories we brew are the ones that last. Heritage and innovation in each drop that we taste. Lies a lesson untold, that progress begins when you honor the old. A stilton that can't see, that can't open you, och traditionen saga då ju nandan dåren. Så du skinny son you det kan ta den, fjudor det står då slagen en dån. I write this note to you to tell you all my plight. And at the time of writing, I am on a powy sight. Me 40 years of pouting rue and me face a deadling grey. And I hope you'll understand we cowies got and work today. I was working on the 14 for some blicks I had to clear. And throwing them down from such a height was not a good idea. Froman was a very pleased, he day and off for storm. And he said I have to take them down the ladder and the horn. So say hey, Goddy's got a tale to tell. Puppets, walks and letters or wing-longs then will. From the spies through the pond he had a fun now you'll know just why wood Paddy's not our wood today. I tried to lift my spirits high and solve that dreadful sum. So I rigged up a police system. Oh, I thought